Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Linksys Velop WHW0301 AC2200 mesh Wi-Fi system step by step. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or replacing an old router, this guide will help you get your network running in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Download the Linksys app. You need this app to set up Velop. Go to the App Store for your device and search for Linksys. Install the app, open it and follow the instructions. Note, the app works with iOS 8.x and later, and Android 4.0.3 and later. During setup you will create a Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account, so you can use the app to view or change your Velop system settings from anywhere you have an internet connection. Other than plugging in the power and the Ethernet cables, the app-based setup process does the work for you. Once connected, use the app to personalize your Wi-Fi by giving it a name and password. You also can give nodes names based on where they are so you can identify them in the rare case where things need attention. Find a power source near to your modem or modem router. Connect to your first node. If you have more than one node, they can be set up anywhere within range of another working node. Only one node has to be wired to the modem or modem router. Don't worry, the app will help you place your nodes. Velop system settings. Using your Linksys app, you can view or change Velop system settings to make your Wi-Fi more secure, or to work better with the device or game. You can access settings from anywhere in the world if you have an internet connection, but you can also access your Velop system directly from your home network if you are not online. Log in to your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi Cloud account. Open the Linksys app. Enter the email address you used when creating your account. Enter your account password. Tap Login. Dashboard is a snapshot of your Wi-Fi. See how many devices are connected to your Velop system. Share Wi-Fi password and allow guest access to your Wi-Fi. Dashboard also shows you if any devices have parental controls on them or have been prioritized for Wi-Fi access. Devices. View and change details for all devices connected to your Wi-Fi. You can view devices on your main network and your guest network or display information about each device. To view or change device details, from the devices screen you can edit device names and change the device icons. You also can prioritize devices, set parental controls and see Wi-Fi details. Tap on any device to see details. Wi-Fi settings. View or change your Wi-Fi name and password and connect devices using Wi-Fi protected setup. Advanced users can change the default security type and Wi-Fi mode. Do not change these unless you have a lot of experience with Wi-Fi networks. Channel Finder will search for the most open Wi-Fi channels in your area to ensure you get the best performance from your Velop system. If you have more than one node in your Velop system, Channel Finder will find the best channel for each node. Connect a device with WPS. Wi-Fi protected setup allows you to easily connect wireless devices to your Wi-Fi without manually entering security settings. Use your guest access to allow guests to get online while restricting their access to other resources. Connect it to your Wi-Fi. Send the password by text message or email. Run a speed test to make sure you are getting the speeds you are paying for. Speed test also helps in device prioritization because results determine how Wi-Fi is distributed to the prioritized devices. Download speed is the rate at which internet content is transferred to your Velop system. Upload speed is the rate at which you can upload content to the internet. Note, internet connection speeds are determined by a variety of factors, including ISP account type, local and worldwide internet traffic, and number of devices in your home that are sharing the internet connection. If you're unable to set up your Linksys Velop WHW0301 AC2200 mesh Wi-Fi system, or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.